Hello friends, so today in our video we are going to look at how to change the default pages in Magento 2. So on the Magento 2 admin panel we can change the default pages like the home page, 404 page and the cookies not enabled page. So from the Magento 2 admin panel, navigate to Stores, Configuration and then inside the General tab click on the web menu. So here we have the default pages group, and from here we can change the home page by changing this drop down. So we can set the home page to any CMS page. So when we create a new CMS page in Magento 2, it will start getting listed in this drop down. So we can select the CMS page or any other pages from here, and also the 404 page we can configure it from this drop down. So if we are planning to display some custom message in the 404 page, then we can create it as a separate CMS page and then assign it from this drop down. And from this drop down we can change the cookies not enabled page. So this is also similar to the other drop downs. The CMS pages that you create from the Magento 2 admin panel will be listed here. So you can select any CMS page from this drop down. So once you have changed the values for the home page or for the 404 page or for the no cookies page, make sure you clear the cache from the admin panel. So for clearing the cache, navigate to System, Cache Management, and from here you can select all the caches or any particular caches, and especially the page cache, and then click on the refresh. So that's all about changing the default pages in Magento 2. See you again in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.